Right, so we're going to watch a little video here that's going to show us how to solve a trig equation by graphing. And you've already seen on the other little clip that you watched that we produced this function. So I'm going to type it in now. So it's going to be 16 times the cosine and we got 5x plus 1. If you're typing this in, you got to watch the double brackets here, hey? Like so. And then minus 8. All right? So we'll graph that. Now, remember when you graph it, we need to have our window set up properly. This particular equation requires that we do this in radians, so we'll press mode. You can see it is in radians, that's good. So now we'll go to window since it's in radians. And we're supposed to go from 0 up to pi. So we'll set it here from 0 up to pi. So there's pi in there. And our minimum and maximum for y can also be set. Okay, and I don't know, probably 20 would probably be sufficient here since we're dealing with 16 times the cosine and then subtracting 5. So let's go from minus 25 to positive 20. Okay, so you should have those elements in your window. Okay, so let's graph this. Okay, and you see what the graph looks like here. Okay, and if you wanted, you could draw a little sketch on here. Now, if we want to find our solutions are called the zeros of the function. So we can check these out by going second, calculate, 0. Okay, and now if we move our little cursor, we're going to have to move it quite a ways here. I'll keep going. Whoops. Okay. So you see we'll go right to 0 there, enter, and then we'll move our right boundary over just on the other side here, enter. So you see these two little triangles at the top of the screen. That is telling you that the program is going to look between those two triangles for the solution. So it's saying on our screen guess, but we don't have to guess. We'll just hit enter. And there you see solution is 0.047, or we'll round that off to 0.05. And we can actually get any solution by going and asking it to calculate the zero of the function. So we'll just arrow over. So we're going to do this one now. Enter. So we're on the left side of it, left boundary. And there, around there, be the right boundary. Enter. So you see we're looking in between to find the 0 or the root of the function. So we'll just hit enter. And it'll tell us that one, which is 0.47, 0.466. We'll round that off to 0.47. Okay, and you can get the rest of these in similar fashion. So that should give you a pretty good idea how to use your graphing calculator to get this particular solution.